Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an Asus Vivobook 15. The model for this one is an K513e. And in this video I'm gonna go over how you can open it up and how you can upgrade the RAM and what are the RAM combinations that you can have in here. Because people always tell me like it doesn't have 2 RAM DIMM because the task manager it says 1 out of 2 or 2 out of 2. So we're gonna clarify that in this video. I made a short video showing you guys what's the maximum RAM capacity that your laptop can have. You can check that video if you wish. I'll leave that link in my video description. Alright, first thing first, we're going to power off the laptop. And we're going to flip it upside down. And down here, we're going to see a whole bunch of screws. There are 3 types of screws, the short ones, medium, and long. The screwdriver that we're going to be using is an UFIXTEK screwdriver set, and from this tool set we're going to be using Phillips number 1. And for the opening tool, if you get the Pro set, they will include you with an opening tools and tweezers. If not, grab a guitar pick. Metallic guitar picks are really suitable to opening cases and covers. Okay, now the shortest screws are the one in the front of the laptop, and the longest screws are the one in the mid row right here, and the mediums are the side 4 of them. So go ahead and remove all of them and put them in a different pile so you don't mismatch them. Also, if you guys like my content, if my contents are helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking the like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It will be a great motivation for me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. I appreciate that. You're gonna grab the opening tool, in this case the guitar pick, and we're gonna put it between the bottom cover and the palm rest. You just need to find a way to stick it right in between those two from any corner that you wish, right there. And you just want to twist it backward, and you want to hear big clicks. Those are the clicks that you want to hear. Those are the clicks that are getting loose. You want to do that all the way in the front end, to the left and the right side. Okay, once you do the front and the left and right side, you don't need to do the back side. It's really not necessary, but if you want to, you can just go ahead and do it. But what I do, I just grab the front side and just wiggle it around, and it will release itself from the back end. Alright, once we remove that, the RAM is right in front of you, right there. So there is only one RAM DIMM right here, and the second RAM DIMM, it's on the other side of there's no RAM DIMM on the other side. There's a RAMs soldered on the board on the other side of the motherboard. So there's no space for next RAM DIMM. So to remove the RAM, it's really easy. All you need to do is to pull these 2 triggers away from each other, and the RAM will come out in 45-degree angle. All you need to do is to grab it in a 45-degree angle and pull it out in the same direction. Once you pull it out, this is a DDR4 RAM. When you want to put the new RAM in, make sure the notch on the DIMM right in here matches the notch right on the DIMM right there, the RAM on the DIMM. So if you try to put it the other way around, it will not go through, simply. So you want to pull it in the same direction, in a 45-degree angle. You want to put it right through the DIMM, and then simply push it towards the motherboard, and you're going to hear these 2 triggers clicking, just like a soft click. To remove, pull them away, pull it out, push it all the way inside the jack and towards the motherboard. Alright, now as you can see, there is no other DIMM here. If I open the motherboard, I made a video how to remove the keyboard, and you can, on that video, you can see the RAM chips are soldered on the board on the other side. So you can upgrade this side of the RAM to a 8 gig RAM if you want, plus the 4 gig that you have on the other side. So you have 12 gig. Or you can, if your CPU supports 32 gig, you can put a 16 gig RAM here, DIMM, plus 8 gig that you have on the other side. Let's say that you upgraded the RAM. Next, what you want to do, you want to grab the bottom chassis. You want to put it right straight over. And you want to push really hard on the side. You want to hear those triggers clicking on the back, on the middle here. And the last thing would be to just put the screws in the right correct position. Remember, the longest screws are the one in the mid, right in here. The mediums are the sides towards the back. And the shortest screws are the front end of the laptop. I hope you guys liked this video and helped you guys out. If you did, please click the like and subscribe to support the channel. If you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up putting up the screw.